Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to go about making a text type moving watermark. This is going to be great because these days people are taking other people's video content and using it onto their own. But having a moving watermark will definitely prevent that because, well, it's a moving watermark and it's going to be very hard to make use of your video since you got that. Now, this is with the inShot video editor app. I'll show you the step-by-step on how to do this. So stick around and let's get into it. So for demonstration purposes, I'll be simply creating a text, which is going to be called watermark. Now you will be typing in your information. If it's your name, your username, your signature, you'll go ahead and do that. And of course, be sure to have the latest update to get all the access to all the free tools you see here now. All right. So first things first, you want to start off by going into text. And then you want to add the text that you want to add. All right. So I'll go ahead and type it in. I'm just going to type in the word watermark. Okay, now you can choose to adjust the style, colors, and all that stuff here. So this is your colors. You can choose whatever colors you want. You can make use of the glow if you want that glow effect here. It would be this one here. And again, you need to have the latest update to have access to all these here. And then of course your style of text, if you want that, the spacing and everything else in there. If you want to make it bold, that's up to you. Okay. And then of course, don't mess with this here, right? Because we're going to use the keyframe to make the text moving about. All right. So it's going to be moving around with the keyframe. So before continuing now, you want to go back to the colors section here, then go to this part here. This is going to adjust the transparency of your watermark. And you want it to be very light because it's going to be moving around and you don't want it to be blocking the content of your video because then people won't be able to enjoy it. So you want to make it as light as possible. And of course, I would suggest taking it to like maybe a bit within the higher teens here. Okay, so I left mine on 18%. And of course, you can decide on that. It's up to you once it's visible enough so that your video can't be easily copied. All right, so you'll press the check mark now. And that sets the transparency and your actual text of the moving watermark. All right. Now this part here, you want to set the watermark text to from the beginning and then set it to the end of the video clip. Okay. So if you want this to play across your entire video, it's up to you. And you can do that if you want to. All right. So I'm just going to show you how it works, how to set it up, and then you can adjust it to how long you want it to be. So first things first, to start off with, you want your starting point. So you want to place your watermark where you want it to start moving and how big you want it to be moving. All right. So you can make the adjustments here. And maybe you want your watermark to start from here and then to just kind of go in every now and then like that. All right. So now you'll need to make use of the keyframe tool. You'll notice once you have your text selected here, once your text is selected, you'll see this icon right here. So to start or initiate the keyframe process, you'll tap on it one time. Okay, and you'll notice right there, there's an upside down green triangle here. So to start your next keyframe point, you will have to move the timeline first, then move the text. Okay, the key is move the timeline first. This is where into the video your text will move next. Okay, so now I want this now to go maybe down here. And you'll notice once I release it, you'll see that upside down triangle. That's my first keyframe to make my watermark moving. So now again, move the timeline first, and then you move this to the next point you want it to be. You'll see that upside down triangle once again. So you'll continue here doing this, and you're just going to continue doing this until you are okay with how your watermark is moving. Okay, so you just keep on doing it, move the timeline first, and just kind of have it in and out of your video. So this way, whoever gets your video won't easily take your video. Okay, so if there's a glitch like that, if it falls back, just pull it down again. Okay, and I'm going to stop here so you can see how it works. You can continue now until you reach the end of the video, but just to show you how this is going to work. So I'll press the check mark now, and I'm going to start from the very beginning so you can see how the watermark is now going to be moving. So I'll press play and just watch as it moves on its own. Okay, so this is different from the animation. This is moving text. This is all making use of the keyframe tool. And This now is going to help you in return not have anybody steal your video easily because your watermark is there. And if you want me to show you how to do this with a photo that you want to add, like an avatar icon or your username icon, your YouTube avatar, let me know in the comment section. I can do this with a photo and show you how it works, okay? So if this guide helped you out in any way, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.